We even have a small brush just for their face. So we get all their face brushed out just the way that we want it. Perfect. Now this is the kicker. We're going to put a coat of laser sheen. There we go. This is going to get a protective coat. And any horse that I ride is going to get a minimum of an hour tied up so they can dry. This does two things at once. It lets them dry off before you put them up. The other thing it does is lets them think about the work that we've done today.